Hello dear students, welcome to this online class of general knowledge conducted by Manju Malik. In today's class, we will discuss lesson 31 to 38 of your general knowledge book, Knowledge Portal. Contents of today's class are related with life skills, Indian panorama and globe trotting. Lesson 31 Parent Concern. Parents have a vital and special place in the lives of their children. They give life to them and bring them up. They work hard to make their lives better. For all this, they deserve respect from them. Some statements are given regarding your duties, responsibilities, and good behavior towards your parents. Tick those statements which shows good behavior towards the parents and cross those which denote bad ones. You should explain everything politely to your parents. Correct. Show your love, concern and affection to your parents. Correct. You should try to keep many things secret from them. Wrong. You should reveal everything to them. You should not keep anything secret. You should leave your parents in their old age and put them into an old age home. Wrong. We should take care of them. You should do well in your studies to keep your parents happy. Right. You should always keep yourself in contact with your parents. Right. You should not forget to thank your parents when they help you in your work. Right. You should not talk back to your parents over trivial matters. Wrong. Lesson 32 Wellness Watch. For having good health and being not likely to become ill, you should follow certain healthy lifestyles. You should eat well and exercise regularly to remain fit. You should have good knowledge about common diseases and their treatments. So you have to answer the questions to test your knowledge about health related matters. What is the name of the instrument used for checking the blood pressure of a person? Sphygmomanometer. What are the upper limit and the lower limit of a normal blood pressure? 120 upper limit, 80 lower limit. Which medical condition is caused by a lack of insulin? Diabetes. By which other name is the medical condition heart attack known? Cardiac arrest. Which type of diet causes diabetes? A high protein diet or a high carbohydrate diet? A high carbohydrate diet. Which part of the human body is affected by stroke? Brain. What is the name of the instrument used by a doctor to listen to patient's heartbeat and breathing? Stethoscope. What is the full form of TB? Tuberculosis. Now match the following words related to healthy lifestyles with their definitions. Yoga. Yoga is a system of exercises. Meditation. Meditation is the practice of thinking deeply in silence. Jogging is the activity of running slowly and steadily. Teetotaler is a person who does not drink alcohol. Lesson 33 Discover India Quiz. We have to answer the following questions. Which Indian state do the Patta paintings belong to? Odisha. Which Indian state does the Kathakali dance belong to? Kerala. Where in Odisha are pigeons used as homing birds? Cuttack. By what name is the kite festival held every year in Ahmedabad known? Uttarayan. Which Indian state has the highest forest cover? Madhya Pradesh. Which Indian architect planned the layout for the city of New Delhi Sir Edwin Lutyens. Which is the least populated state of India? Sikkim. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? Gujarat. Which Indian state does the Lavani dance belong to? Maharashtra. Who was the chief architect and designer of the city of Chandigarh? Le Corbusier. Lesson 34, Men of Words. We have to identify the personalities with the help of their work. Sanskrit poet who wrote Buddha Charita is Ashwaghosha, an outstanding poet of India who was honored with the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913. Rabindranath Tagore, Sanskrit scholar and court poet of Harshvardhan, who wrote Harsh Charita and Kadambari. Banabhatta, famous literary man in the court of Alauddin Khilji, known for his ghazals and songs. Amir Khusro, a famous Mughal historian who wrote Akbarnama. Abul Fazl, a renowned Hindi poet whose best known poem is Madhushala. Harivansh Rai Bachchan, Sanskrit dramatist and writer of Mrichkatika, the Little Clay Cart. Sudraka, a great thinker and the Prime Minister of Chandragupta Maurya. He was the author of Arthashastra. Chanakya. Lesson 35, Social Campaigners. A social reformer is a person who fights against social evils like slavery, untouchability, child labor, etc. So we have to name social reformers whose pictures are given with the help list. Vinoba Bhave is the first one. Second, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Third, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Fourth, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Fifth, Baba Amte. And sixth, Mahatma Gandhi. Now we have to answer the questions about some social reformers who though less known but they contributed greatly to India's social upliftment. Which social reformers is known for his efforts in promoting khadi and village industries in India? Jamna Lal Bajaj. Which prominent social reformer and activist worked for the welfare of lepers? Baba Amte. Name the 19th-20th century social reformer who primarily campaigned for the upliftment of women through education and advocated widow remarriage. Dhondo Keshav Karve. Lesson 36, Trailblazers All. India has produced some outstanding men and women who, by the dint of their hard work, vision and dedication, brought about significant changes in the way we live, think and dream. So, we are given the extraordinary achievements of these ordinary people. We have to read them, and with the help of their pictures we have to identify them. The first one, this great scholar of statecraft, economics, diplomacy and war was a teacher at Takshila University. He managed the first Mauryan Emperor Chandragupta's rise to power at an early age. Chanakya. Second one, a Sufi mystic, poet, musician, inventor and royal advisor. He was a disciple of Nizamuddin Aulia and a courtier of Alauddin Khilji. He is credited with the invention of the tabla and sitar. Amir Khusro. The third one, the genius painter belonging to Travancore royal family, produced magnificent work of art in oil on canvas depicting women more beautifully than any other Indian artist ever. His works are national treasures. Raja Ravi Verma. Next, a brilliant physicist, researcher and innovator. He never won a Nobel but made significant contributions to the field of particle physics and electronics. S.N. Bose. Dhanpat Rai was his original name and he died at a very early age. But in this brief period, battling the scourge of poverty and disease, he wrote some of the greatest literature Hindi language has ever known. Munshi Premchand. Now we have to answer the questions related to the above mentioned genius. By which other name was Chanakya known? Kautilya. In which century did Amir Khusro live? 1253 CE to 1325 CE. Name a novel and a short story written by Dhanpat Rai. The novel is Godan and Kafan is the short story. Give the full name of S.N. Bose. Satyendra Nath Bose. Lesson 37. Cold facts. The Arctic Circle and the Antarctic are the coldest regions of the world. Here there is day throughout the year, during which the sun does not set at all. The land and the ocean remain covered with snow and ice for the larger part of the year. Ice never melts near the poles. So we have to fill the blanks and we have to know more about the lives of the poles. The very thick layer of ice found in Greenland and Antarctica is known as ice cap. A moving river of ice is called glacier. A huge floating mass of ice in the sea is called iceberg. Parka is a hooded jacket of Eskimos. Igloo is a house made of ice blocks. Harpoon is a kind of spear with a strong rope tied to its upper point. A small boat which can carry only one Eskimo is known as kayak. A person of Icelandic descent is called Icelander. Sledge cart without wheels. Huskies are dogs which are used to pull carts without wheels. Lesson 38. Global wear. Clothes, like food, vary from region to region. From heavy multi-layered woolens and skins in polar regions to simple cotton wraps in tropical area, clothes people wear come in vibrant color, designs and styles. So we have to identify the following articles of clothing with the help of their clues. It is a long strip of cloth worn as a skirt by Assamese women, mekhla. It is a fine black jacket first worn in New York, tuxedo. It is a long warm coat worn over clothes in winter, overcoat. Malaysians and Indonesians wear this long strip of cloth as its skirt, sarong. Denim trousers worn by both men and women globally, jeans. It is a lace veil or scarf worn by Spanish women, mantilla. It is a long piece of ribbon worn around the waist or over one shoulder as a mark of rank, sash. It is a long, loose Japanese robe with broad sleeves worn on formal occasions, kimono. Eskimos wear this coat with a hood, parka. It is a type of glove covering 4 fingers together and the thumb separately, mitten. It is a round flat cap made out of soft cloth with a tight band around the head, beret. It is a coat made of waterproof rubberized cloth worn during rains, Macintosh. So students, I hope lesson 31 to 38 are clear to you. Thank you.